of your design. Your analysis results will also appear in a report to help you optimize your design, and all impacted documentation in Revit. And if any of the changes have an impact on designs, such as your steel connections, Revit will notify you when your design fails to meet standards so that you can make the appropriate adjustments. What's more, the AEC collection allows you to effectively coordinate with colleagues across the extended design team with Navisworks Manage. With it, you can aggregate designs in different file formats into a single model to resolve complex scheduling issues and even costly clashes before construction begins. With the Architecture, Engineering, Construction Collection, by giving you access to powerful tools that aid your design collaboration.
All right, hi and welcome again to our free online lesson. And for today's, I will be your presenter. I'm Shafiq Farhan as a product manager for design and manufacturing. Okay, so I would like to thank for everyone that joined from our Zoom live, which is Mr. Suba and everyone. And for those that join also from our YouTube channel, so make sure that you if you have any question, you can just type in the comment. Later we will respond to the question. Right, so let me go to the slide presentation first before we do demonstration on the electromechanical. Right, so I believe all of you will can see my screen. So for today, I will do presentation regarding this electromechanical, which include electrical and also mechanical together. So for this workflow, okay, so I will use we'll use two types of software, which is the first one is AutoCAD Electrical. And then I export the file to link with my Inventor 3D models. So that will be the idea of today's presentation, today's free online lesson. Okay, so if you have any question later on, you just can put it into our chat. Later I will answer one by one your question. So for this electromechanical, so using AutoCAD Electrical, you can do as detailed as you want. You want to do a schematic drawing or you want to do a panel drawing. So you just need to use AutoCAD Electrical, and the tools will focus on electrical component only. Okay, so in order to create electrical component or electrical schematic drawing, so you just need to use this button, and later on we also will use the electrical. Okay, so after you're done with AutoCAD Electrical, the file we will export to Inventor. Okay, the file will be either XML or EMX, electromechanical link file. So either these two. Right, so I believe these two software will make your job more easy compared to you need to do the sweep for each wire manually. So using this cable and harness from Inventor, so after you've done your schematic drawing on your AutoCAD Electrical, automatically the 3D drawings here can be directly create a wire. So we don't need to create one by one anymore. So that will be the idea. So for cable and harness, okay, our objective for today, we will link the Inventor file, okay, to the existing electromechanical link file. So means we browse from another folder that we already saved, and then we can see either they have some issue or conflict between this 2D schematic and also 3D modeling. Okay, after we're done with that, we will also do the merge. Okay, so for AutoCAD Electrical information with Inventor assembly component. So we will combine together these two items, your wire, your schematic wire, to become a 3D wire inside Inventor. Right, so without wasting a time, so let me give the idea on how and what I will create for today. So this will be the things that I will create for today. The first one is a segment, okay, which is I will insert all my wire inside this segment, and all the wire will be automatic generate from AutoCAD Electrical first. Okay, and then we link together. Right, so I go to the first software that I want to show, which is AutoCAD Electrical. So this will be the interface for AutoCAD Electrical 2021. So I zoom it a little bit. Okay, for AutoCAD Electrical 2021, you will have a few features, which is to insert a component, to edit a component. Okay, for example, you want to do a specific component like ABB or a few types of Siemens component. Okay, and then you just can simply choose from the libraries. Okay, after you're done with this, you can create a wire from AutoCAD Electrical itself. So I give you a simple idea on how to do the wiring, how it's easy to create wire using AutoCAD Electrical. So the first things that I will do, I need to have a connector first. So just click on this symbol and this icon to insert a connector. Right, so I click on this insert connector. Right, for this case, they will have a few things that we need to set up: the pin spacing and also the pin count. Okay, for the pin count, if your connector have 3 pins, okay, this area you just need to put 3. Okay, same like this image. Okay, but if you have 10 more than that, or just can change the value over here. Okay, the spacing is 10 for the distance between number 1 and number 2. Okay, so after I already confident with my design. Okay, so if I plan to change the orientation, I just need to click on here, rotate, and again rotate. Okay, this will be the things that if you plan to flip your connector. Okay, for this case, I will use connector something like this. Right, for those that have want to create your own size of connector, what you need to do, you just need to click on this detail button, specify the size. Okay, you just can key in the size 5 for each one, and after done everything, just need to click insert, put into the location that you want to put into your schematic here. So what will happen later, you can see that this software will help you automatic generate and also will give you a pop-up to put the information that you want to link together. So for this case, I want to make it the tag, the component tag for my connector, which is become a X2. And then I simply hit OK. So this will be the area already changed, the attribute already changed to X2. Okay, 1 until 10, because I have put 10 pin and the distance between each pin is 5. Okay, so to create a simple wire or to create a basic wire one by one, if you want to create a very basic, the first one, you will have a wire for a single line wire. So I just need to click on this wire, choose on the point that I want to choose here. Okay, from this wire, from this point, can directly go to this point. For example, I just need to click on here, right? So later you can edit and also you can link back all the line. Right, so thanks Miss Afifa for joining our free online lesson. Okay, today's topic will be AutoCAD and also AutoCAD Electrical and also Inventor Electromechanical. Okay, so to boost up your speed in terms of modeling, you just need to click on this multiple bars. Okay, over here you can change the number of wire that you want to create at one time. Okay, without need to do a trim later on. So for this case, I want to use a component. Okay, after I click on the component, I just need to specify how many points I want to include. Okay, after I already click for this 1, 2, and 3 and press enter. So now you see that my AutoCAD Electrical will help me to generate directly from here and then link with this location. for example, to here, over here. Okay, so using AutoCAD Electrical also, after you're done with creating everything, and then you plan to do a numbering for your wire, you just need to go to this edit wire. So edit wire number, click on this line to specify the value. So for this case, I try to make it, the value will be 120, and then hit OK. So become the tagging will be automatically added to the line. So also here 1 to 1, okay. And then again I click the fourth one, the fourth port, 1 2 3, okay. So this will be the idea on how we create our connector. Okay, connector and wire. So using AutoCAD Electrical also, if you plan to create an icon, so what you need to do, or what you have to do, you just need to go to this icon menu and choose whatever type of symbol that you want to place inside this wiring system schematic. Okay, after you're happy with your model, or you happy with your drawing here over here, so what you need to do to go to make sure that your 2D schematic can transfer to Inventor, so you just need to click on this import and export data at this top and export to Inventor. Right, so over here, this export button will create XML file, or you also can do the method that I mentioned, which is electromechanical link file. Okay, so what I want to do, I just need to click, okay, only focus on this active drawing. If I choose a project, means this drawing or this XML will export everything inside my project. So to simplify the sample for this drawing only, so I use active drawing and hit OK. Right, so what I need to do, I just need to click save. Okay, update my 2D schematic, and then change here controller hardness. So I try to make it the name controller hardness -2. Okay, for AutoCAD FOL XML. So then just need to hit save. Right, so later you want to change it, you just need to go to your AutoCAD Electrical back and then do the changes inside AutoCAD Electrical. So moving forward, so I go to the 3D modeling, 3D design software, so which is Inventor, Autodesk Inventor. So this will be the sample that I want to show you for today. Okay, the first item, which is I want to create and I want to import the AutoCAD Electrical XML file to my board over here, inside here. So the step by step, I just need to click and open first, make it only this assembly will open. And then I just need to make it the visual style, make it more interactive to view. Right, so over here, if you plan to create the cable and also the hardness, so what you need to do, by default, you see that I already have it. So, but if you plan to create by your own, you just need to go to environment, click on cable and hardness. Cable and hardness. Right? So over here, when I want to edit, so I just need to right click, edit my cable and hardness that I already create. So all the point you need to do inside your assembly itself. So directly you need to do inside your assembly, all the point here. So the pin over here. Okay. So for this first example, I want to make it my segment first before I create my wire. So for the first segment, just need to click on this button, these symbols, create segment. Create segment. 1, choose to this pin. 2, okay, rotate a bit. Okay, and then you can continue until you finish the segment that you want to create. So for this case, I just choose the pin. Okay, after done with this, I want to choose these 2 pin more, 1 and 2. Right, so after done, you just need to go right click, just need to click right click, finish. So the segment will be automatically created inside your drawing. No need to do sweep manually again. Okay, what is the idea that I want to use, which is I want to import the data that from AutoCAD Electrical. So I just need to click on this button, manage, import hardness data. Okay, from here I can choose whatever file that I saved from AutoCAD Electrical. So for this case, I already saved this new file, AutoCAD FOL. Okay, after done, just click open and then click OK. So what will happen later when you click OK again? So the software will help you to generate a wire automatically from this AutoCAD Electrical to Inventor Electromechanical. Okay, cable and harness. So just need to wait a little bit. So while waiting, so over here, when you done your button over here, so you can also see the log, either which file, which cable is have error and also have warning. Okay, for my case, I don't have any issue on my wire. And then I just click OK. All wire will automatically generated through this board. Okay, but the issue is I already create the segment for my modeling. Okay, and I plan to create a very detailed segment over here. I just need to change the visibility. Okay, click again to from render display. Okay, you just need to change back to a render display. Okay, and then you will see your size of each wire. Okay, the 3D size of each wire. Okay, for AutoCAD cable and harness, so for Inventor cable and harness, you will see they will have a few more buttons. Okay, the first button at top, you can do create segment like I do previously. Okay, so this will be another button which is we need to route our wire inside the segment. Okay, for this case, I plan to make it all wire become automatically join with my current segment. So what I need to do, I just need to click on this automatic route. Okay, so for automatic, you can do automatic or you also can do route by manual. So either one. Okay, if your wire is so many, then what you can do, you just need to go using this one, automatic route. Okay, for this case, I just need to make it all unroute wire and hit OK. Okay, later you will see for your drawing, all your wire will go inside the segment and the segment size also become bigger, depends on the wire size, the collective total wire diameter. So that will be the objective for this model. Okay, so they will have a few more information that you can add, which is you can also, after done, you can also do a report for your wire, create a libraries, and after you're done with this sub-assembly, then you can go to your full assembly, the full machine, create wire there again. Right? So like I said, all wire will be go directly inside to this segment automatically. Okay, how about if I plan to create wire by manual method? Okay, that will be the how I create wire from AutoCAD Electrical to Inventor Professional cable and harness. Okay, so to create a wire by manual, just need to click on this wire, create wire. So specify the category of wire. For example, you are using GXL, and the size for your wire here, the color and also size. For this case, I want to use a green yellow. So I just need to scroll a little bit, green. Okay, GRN stand for green. Okay, YEL, yellow, 16 AWG. Okay, and then the first pin will be from here. This will be the first pin. Okay, after done with the first pin, I just need to click on the second pin. Okay, so from this area, I want to go to this area, the top one. So I just need to click on this second pin. And after that, I just need to again click OK. Right, so this will be the color will become a green because we choose a green yellow color. So what will happen to this green yellow color if I want to make it them road inside the segment? So just need to click on this road, choose a wire which is the green one, the green color one. Okay, the first segment will be over here. Okay, and the last segment will be over here. And hit OK. So the software will also automatically generate either you use a manual route. Okay, you see that from here, the wire will go to here and go to over here. So the size also will automatically update into the specific one. Okay, like I mentioned, if you plan to change back this wire become a 3D, so just click again to a render display. So the software will help again to generate the wire with a size. Okay, so I hope this first method or first exercise will everyone all of you will clear. So now I want to make it from my sub assembly go to the full assembly to create a full machine cable and harness. Okay, for electrical done using AutoCAD Electrical. Now for mechanical, so I just need to click on this finish. So all the wire will be inside already, become a 3D view. Okay, nothing to be worried anymore. Okay, and then you just need to click save and close the drawing. Okay, close the IAM file. Okay, because this one is a sub assembly file. Okay, then you go back to, when you go back to your model over here, you just need to click on this button to update, local update, and make sure that you see the latest update of your drawing, which already include all your wires. All your wires. Okay, in case to make it the full design of your machines, to create a full design of your cable and harness for machine. So what you can do, you can click on this button, again, click right click, edit. Okay, in order to make it everything, so I have created the bracket for on this table. Okay, I try to stop the, try to deactivate the reflection first. Reflection, also shadow. Okay, and this shadow I try to disable. Okay, for this case, I want to make it my drawing starting from this board and can create a segment from this board to at the end of a table. So what I can do, I just can right click on this create segment again. Okay, first one, choose the first location of point that you want to choose. For example, this area. Okay, this circle, this edge. Click. Okay, after done with this, I just need to mouse over into a bracket that I created. One. Okay, make sure that you click again one more time to here. Okay, after you're done with all these things also, you just need to make sure that you choose all the bracket to ensure that your file will stay on the bracket. Okay, so for this case, after I done with 3 bracket, then the segment will need to go to the 90-degree angle of the table face. So what I need to do, I just need to make sure that the segment and also the wire does not conflict with this face. I just need to right click and put edit offset for my model. Okay, so for this case, I just want to choose 15 mm. Just type in 15 mm, click on this face. Right, next, continue again to create my 3D modeling to my segment. Make sure that you already change back your offset to 0. Okay, click on here, 1, 2, and then just make sure that go to another bracket if there 1 and 2. Okay, so for this area, if you plan to directly go to a specific point, then you just can simply click. Okay, but for my case, I don't want to do anything. I just need to right click and click finish on my drawing. Okay, after I finish my full assembly segment, so what I can do, I just can simply click on this render view again. So to view my 3D segment. Okay, same goes like previous method. So I just need to have a pin from the first point to the second point, and then directly use create wire route by the method that I showed in previous method. So click on finish cable and harness. So what will happen? This segment will be automatically created inside the drawing. Okay, nothing to be worried on your design anymore. No need to do a 3D spline to create this pass to do your sweep. So what you need to do, you just need to go to this environment, use cable and harness. So that will be the most proper idea and most proper method to create electromechanical design. Okay, so let me do some quick recap. So the first idea that I do, okay, I do these things from AutoCAD Electrical. Okay, do the electrical wiring. Okay, and then click on this import and export data. Go to this inventor to export the file. So after I done, I just choose which parts that I want to do the wiring. For example, for this example, I choose to create the wire inside this board. So what I need to do, I just need to edit this one. Okay, click open, and then do the editing for all the thing. Okay, so after I done with this thing, and I plan to create a segment for my area over here. So I also need to create a cable and harness to my full assembly. Right, so after I check back to my 3D model, I have some issue that I face. Okay, which is this one. So I see that why the segment directly goes straight like this. So I plan to do the editing. So I just need right click, edit again. Okay, for a segment, okay, for this segment, okay, you can edit this segment, okay, directly. For example, if you plan to do the segment editing, so you just need to go to here, segment 1, and for this case is segment 3. Okay, this segment 3. So for this segment 3, I want to add some point to my segment. Click on this area and add another point. For example, over here. Okay, just need to click on the line. Okay, basically you can just directly edit your cable and harness. So I just try to edit, right click, and also edit the segment. Okay, in order to make it the segment, what you need to do, you just need to add a point. Okay, to this segment, add a point on here, and then you just need to drag into a proper location. Then your segment will be follow the location for a new one. So that will be on how we create a segment inside cable and harness. So I believe all of you already know on how to create this 3D model, this 3D full design machine, industrial machine. So this example will be the industrial machine. So how I want to create from scratch, AutoCAD Electrical to Inventor and create a wire, transfer to cable and harness. Right. So let give me some time to go to our last slide presentation. For product design manufacturing collection, if you plan to do electromechanical design, okay, I believe you need to have product design manufacturing collection because you need to have at least 2 software, which is AutoCAD Electrical inside the AutoCAD plus Inventor Pro. Cable and harness will be inside the Inventor Pro. Okay, you need to have at least 2 software. So the most cost efficient that you need to have, you just go with Autodesk Product Design Manufacturing Collection. Right, so that will be my sharing for today. If you have any question, so you want, so is the inventor icon we always export. Inventor icon. Right, so I have one question. Right, is the inventor icon will always be a export ribbon of AutoCAD Electrical. Yeah, if you install these two software, you will see the button to convert from import and export. You need to install the two software first to make sure that the button there. Okay, if still not there, you need to try to do the menu load to load back the inventor button. So, but I believe if you install inventor and also AutoCAD Electrical, directly will be there. Right, so but if you have any still have same issue, just contact just go to our website and contact us, create a help desk ticket. Right, so last but not least, if you have any question or if you want to learn more about our free online lesson, don't forget to go to our website. Okay, scroll at the bottom, you will see this icon for our YouTube channel. So make sure that you share our YouTube channel to everybody. Okay, so this will be the live session for today. Okay, if you have any question, you can directly chat on our YouTube. Share the video to everybody. Make sure that everybody also learn and get same knowledge, get all the knowledge that we share. Okay, so Acadsystems Sdn Bhd. So click on this subscribe button and also this bell ring button. Right, so if you don't have any question, I will end the session for my presentation, electromechanical. Thanks everyone for joining our free online lesson again. So thanks Ms. Afifa, CCW, Farah, and Mr. Subha. So hope you will gain some knowledge. You already gained some knowledge from if you plan to create a very detailed electromechanical design. Right. So thank you everyone and see you for our next free online lesson, and bye-bye.